Hi people. Yeah, you can only see part of me. Right, because I'm disabled, I actually got one of these toilet seats. Nothing bad. But like most big things, they come in this horrible package. So what I do, even before disposing it, I roll it up like this. Yes, it is making a nice crunchy noise, isn't it, boy? And then I roll it. And then I knot it. And then knot it as much as I can. So, before disposing of it, there is absolutely no way, oops, any kitty will get into that. And as we know, cats like getting into bags and silly places. And for example, the box down there, look, we do have somebody in there. Hello, Rhea. Hiding in there, aren't you? So, that's what I do with plastic wrapping every time. And then you find it's easier to throw into a bin and it doesn't float away in the wind like most do. So, whoops, I don't know. Anyway, thought I'd just put a little thing on here for a bit of, safety for your pets, even children. So, yep, I hope this helps people. And even kittens. Do you think, eh? That's a bit dark, isn't it? Anyway, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.